Welcome back. Now this is how it starts. We are going to glue part of this printed paper. You can encourage your children to use, the children to use their fingers, because fingers are very good tools to use in art. So we can glue part of it. Can apply glue on part of this. Then the part on which you have applied glue, you can also glue the other part, the other side. Apply enough glue that can help this paper stick on the cardboard. So another alternative, if you can afford brushes, you can as well use brushes to paint glue over these papers. So we have already glued our printed paper. Now we pick our cylindrical cardboard roll and apply our cut paper on it. And then we glue it around. Careful. So you can guide your children on how it can be done successfully. So now I have finished the first part. I have glued the paper, the printed paper, on the toilet roll cardboard. So the second thing, I'm going to add the color. I'm going to glue the colored paper onto the already cut cardboard, the same size. So I will apply glue. You can apply glue either on the cut paper which you are going to stick, or you can still add glue on the cardboard. So at this time, let me use glue on the cardboard. So I'll pick glue. I'll apply the glue on the cardboard. You spread the glue all over the cardboard such that you leave no place unturned. Then pick your colored paper. It can still be from the same pattern, or it can be any other paper and any other color that you feel like. So you stick the paper onto the cardboard. So now our base is finished. Now there is a tool I forgot to introduce, that is a pair of scissors. So pair of scissors can help us trim off. However, with children, you can avoid such tools, because if they are not well guided, they can use them poorly and cut themselves. So teachers can help to help children trim off the excess paper. That is in case you find yourself in such a situation. However, it is better for a teacher to prepare materials that may not need the cutting process, most especially when you are dealing with young ones, because a pair of scissors is a dangerous object to children, and it takes time to learn how to use it. So children may not be able to use it to cut out. So I have already trimmed off the excess. So the next thing is I'm going to apply glue below. So I'm getting my glue, dip my finger into it, then apply enough glue. So if I have applied enough glue, then I look for the center and I stick my cardboard onto the paper, onto the other base that I already designed. So you see, yeah, I've made the base a little bit wider to help it to support the materials or the tools which are going to be used here. So if you cut the exact size of the cylinder, it will not balance. It will not help balance up the gravity or the heaviness of the materials in which you put. So it is usually better you use a little bit of a wider base for stability of the table organizer you are making. So here are the pencils. Now when it dries, children can always put in their pencils. Even their parents can put in whatever they want in case they give it to their children as a gift. I mean, if the children give this as a gift to their parents. So that is the end of it. It has been a small project, but very, 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 very creative and very good for children and even adults who are interested in making such materials. So stay tuned for the next episode. In case of any other video, I'll be notifying you about it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.